This is shocking. Sandrone is in the central position of the livestream art. Looks like aside from Columbina, we're also gonna get to know another harbinger marionette. So far, we don't know anything about this harbinger, or do we? In fact, if you're doing the side quests, you probably have seen many info about Sandrone and Fontaine. After completing all the side quests about the Narcissan Croix Ordo, we'll get a photo. This girl in the picture is named Marianne Gilliton. Here, does her face look exactly like Sandrone? Also, there's obviously something shaped like a clock key on her back. And in the world of clockwork machineries are invented by the one next to this girl. Alain Gilliton, brother of Marianne, founder of Fontaine Research Institute and the inventor of clockwork machinery. In fact, the four kids in the picture are deeply involved in multiple important events in Fontaine history, especially Alain, who not only invented all the clockwork machinery we see today, but also the archi-annihilation technology that provides power for Fontaine. One of its significant features is yellow and blue energy, and the robot Sandrone sits on already has such features. Also, of the four kids in the photo, only Alain's ending was not known. The two kids on the right calculated the doom of Fontaine with their genius mind. To save Fontaine, they chose to study Abyss power, which ended in tragedy. And in order to stop them from walking the wrong path, Marianne joined the Maréchal Phantom, trying to stop them with law. In the end, the two sides came to battle inside Olinus. The battle was brutal. Agents from the Maréchal Phantom were almost wiped out, and Marianne was KIA. But something beautiful was also created by this battle. Scenes. Machine parts mixed with abyssal power and archi-energy were blasted into Alina's flesh. And the brand new species that came out of this flesh is these cute Melusines. In the end, Alan came to retrieve the dead body of his sister and two friends. He regretted that he couldn't stop the tragedy, being able to only do research instead of fight. He managed to save a part of consciousness from his sister, turning her into an Oceanid. And to keep her sister company, Alain made her a loyal guard, a clockwork machine with self-consciousness and some memory from Alain. This is the last research Alain had in Fontaine, preserving and uploading human memory and consciousness into clockwork machinery to achieve immortality. With nothing left to do in Fontaine, Alain disappeared with all his research. Nobody knew where he went until we saw Sandrone. The archi-technology, clockwork machinery, obsession with ancient technology, and almost the same appearance as Marianne. Maybe Alain has gone on another path of no return, just like his friends.